Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make an oven roasted lemon chicken. This is super easy and affordable because you can buy a whole chicken for almost next to nothing and get a couple meals out of it. Okay, here's what you need. You would need 1 large lemon, 3 to 4 sprigs of fresh thyme, 3 to 4 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 2 garlic cloves chopped, 1 small onion, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning, and of course a whole chicken. So as you can see here, I'm taking my lemon and cutting it in half, and I'm squeezing it all over my chicken. I'm going to save this lemon because I'm going to put it inside my chicken because the flavors will infuse in my whole chicken. After I place my lemon inside my chicken, I'm going to add sprigs of rosemary, garlic, onion, and the thyme. I am going to reserve some of the thyme to put on top of my chicken, so make sure you save 1 sprig for later. Now it's time to wash my hands with soap and water and preheat my oven to 400 degrees because we're getting close to putting my chicken inside the oven. Now take a brush and your olive oil, and you are going to brush your entire chicken with the olive oil. Now your lemon pepper seasoning, along with the remaining thyme, you're going to massage it on the entire chicken. This is going to make it extremely flavorful. Another option you can use if you don't have fresh rosemary or thyme on hand is to simply just use dry. Now in a large enough baking dish, go ahead and spray it with some cooking spray and place your chicken inside, making sure all of your items that you placed inside the chicken stay inside the chicken, such as your lemon, onion, and garlic, and your sprigs of herbs. I'm going to put aluminum foil over this, or you can simply cover it with a lid, and you're going to place it inside your 400-degree oven for an hour. Usually the last 5 to 10 minutes, I like to take the aluminum foil off and let it cook without it to give it that golden brown look. Alright, so you want to make sure your chicken reaches 180 degrees. Let it rest for about 5 minutes before cutting into it. And let me know if you guys tried this recipe in the comments below. I'd love to know. This meal is super easy and flavorful. My family loves it. I love it because I can store the leftovers and use for future use, such as making chicken sandwiches, chicken salad, or even chicken tacos. And this meal is real great to serve with any side and a nice dinner salad. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy these cooking videos, and I will see you guys real soon. If you don't want to miss any videos from me, hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.